Jay, I have a question for you. Do you want to sound like an English textbook or do you want to sound like a natural speaker?
That's easy, Nora. I want to sound natural. I don't want to sound like a robot.
Exactly, but most learners always say the same thing. He did a good job, or this is good. It's okay, but it's a bit boring.
You're right. It's textbook English. It doesn't have any spark.
Well, I found the secret. I was watching the movie Finding Nemo last night. It's a classic story about a father fish named Marlin who travels across the whole ocean to find his son, Nemo.
I love that movie. It's beautiful and very famous.
It is. And at the very beginning, Marlin says something so cool. He doesn't say, "I did a good job." He says, "Did your man deliver?"
Now that is level up English.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to Vivid English Avenue. I am Nora.
And I am Jay. We are so happy you are hanging out with us today.
Today, we are learning English through movies. If you haven't watched Finding Nemo, you really should. It's great for your English because the characters speak clearly and with a lot of emotion.
It's a story about family and bravery. Even if you haven't seen it yet, today's lesson will be super useful for your daily life.
Today's word is deliver. Usually, we think of a delivery driver bringing a package to your door.
Right, but in the ocean, there are no delivery bikes. So, what does it mean when a fish says it? Let's find out.
Jay, let's show our listeners how this sounds. Let's act out the scene.
I'll be Marlin, the dad fish. I'm very proud because I just found a perfect, safe home in a beautiful coral reef for my family.
And I'll be Coral, the mom fish.
So, Coral, you wanted an ocean view, right? Well, look, we got the whole ocean. Oh yeah, a fish can breathe out here. So, tell me, did your man deliver or did he deliver?
My man delivered.
See? I didn't bring her a package or a pizza.
Right. In natural English, to deliver means you kept a promise. You said you would do something great and you actually did it.
It means you are reliable. You are a person or a fish of your word.
I love this word because it's so versatile. Let's practice some daily patterns.
Think about food. Imagine a new burger shop opens. Everyone says, "It's the best burger in the world." You go there, you take a bite, and wow, it's amazing.
You don't just say the burger was good. You say, this burger really delivered.
Exactly. It was as good as you expected. It lived up to the hype.
What about a movie? If you watch Finding Nemo after this podcast and you love it,
You say, that movie really delivered. It wasn't a disappointment. We also use this with our friends and family.
give me an example, Jay.
Imagine our friend Leo. He promised to help you move your heavy sofa on Saturday morning.
That's a big job. Does he actually show up?
Yes. He comes over at 8 a.m., he works hard, and he stays until the job is finished. You can say, I asked Leo for help, and he delivered.
Oh, I see. He didn't just say, I will help. He actually did the work.
Exactly. Or think about a shop, like a person fixing your car.
If they say, your car will be ready at 5 o'clock, and it is ready, the mechanic delivered. Let's imagine a short story at an office. Two coworkers, Amy and Ben, are talking.
Ben, are you nervous? You promised the boss you would have the report finished today.
I was nervous, but I worked very hard last night. I have it all ready.
Later, after the boss says, "Fantastic work, Ben."
Wow, Ben, the boss is so happy. You really delivered.
Thanks, Amy. I told the boss I would do it, and I did.
Ben is a star because he delivered the results.
Nora, using words like deliver makes your English sound so much more alive.
It's okay to say he did a good job, but when you say he delivered, you sound like you really understand the soul of the language.
Don't be afraid to use it, even for small things.
Like your morning coffee. If it's extra delicious today, say to yourself, "This coffee delivered."
It's all about training your brain to think like a native speaker.
Let's recap what we learned from our friends in the ocean today.
The word is deliver. It means to keep a promise. It means to do what you said you would do. It means to be as good as people expected.
Remember our 3 favorite phrases. He really delivered. The food delivered. I promised to help and I delivered. Now, we want to hear from you. Think about your week. Did a meal, a movie, or a friend deliver for you?
Type your sentence in the comments or say it out loud right now. We love seeing you use these new words.
If you enjoyed this episode, make sure to follow Vivid English Avenue. We are on a mission to help you speak natural English.
And don't go too far. In our next episode, we are going back under the sea with Marlin and Coral.
That's right. We are going to learn a very common phrase used when you are 100% sure about something. You won't want to miss it.
It's going to be another great lesson to help you level up.
Until then, keep practicing and stay curious. See you in the next episode.